Sometimes, if I don't have enough money for craft services, I like to bake a little something for the crew myself. You know, keep the morale up. I'm Adam, I'm a movie producer. Today I want to talk a little bit about breakdowns as they relate to your budget. Breakdown is the very first thing that has to happen. Script comes in, you want to make a budget, you got to break it down. This is the moment in which you internalize all of the elements of your film, and you become the expert on this movie. Doing the breakdown means going through and marking every single element that's in the script. It's not just about having a list of what those things, but it's also about having a list of those things and how much time within your movie. Once the breakdown's done, you build a schedule. But the breakdown's going to tell you all that, how to put that schedule together. And then you really need to pay attention to certain categories. Stunts, special effects, locations, actors. These are the parts that really need to be looked at in detail so that you can really know the ingredients of your movie. Take the time now while you have it, because later on you're not going to have the time. Get every detail that you can. Get every prop, get every piece of set dressing that you can read, all of it, because the more you can do there, and the more you're going to be able to talk to your department heads about what their needs really are. You know, breakdown's kind of like a recipe for your movie. If you don't break it down properly, you're not going to get the beautiful souffle that you're trying to serve to all of your audience. You're not going to be able to properly budget. You're going to find out on set that there were needs that you missed. Look at that. Beautiful recipe, beautiful cake. I gotta get this over to Crafty. That was too much. All right, one more time.